Welcome back, folks. Dow is up 112, Nasdaq up 45, S&P's up 10.5. Let's go over to our man, Mr. Steve Rhodes, as we do each and every Monday at 20 past the first hour. Don't forget, folks, our man Steve has an outstanding show every trading day right here at 1 o'clock, 1 to 2 Eastern Standard Time. Also has a great newsletter, Mastering Probability. Now, Steve, folks, is the market timer of the year in the S&P and bonds in 2018. And as you come over to our website at TFNN, you're going to see right in the features contact Mastering Probability. Steve Rhodes, he is going to be doing a subscriber event for his subscribers this Wednesday. And guess what, folks? Wednesday is February 27th. Hard to believe, but guess what? We are here. He's going to be talking about overcoming fear in trading and investing in 5 easy steps. So the way you basically, if you're a subscriber, you're going to be in this event. If you're not a subscriber, folks, you can come over. You can subscribe right now. Everything comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Bottom line, if you'd like to do that, you just come over. You're going to hit the Mastering Probability. You're going to hit subscribe. You can go in for a month at $149. You can go for 6 months at $695, which is a $199 savings. You can go for a year at $1195, which is a savings of $593. Check it out right on the front page of TFNN. And, of course, you're a subscriber. Don't forget, tomorrow, Wednesday night, we're going to have man Steve Rhodes talk about what he's going to be teaching people right here, right now. What's happening, brother?
Well, I remember when you first asked me, hey, do you want to do a radio show?
Yeah.
Back in Clearwater. And so talk about having to overcome fear each and every day. Because, at first, like, hey, boom, jump right into it. Yeah, sure. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh, something new. So, I'm going to be doing a workshop that is probably one of my well, first, I enjoy doing workshops, providing information for subscribers out there. But this one is unique and different because what I'm dealing with is an intangible versus something that's very tangible. For example, typically my workshops might be try to teach people about horizontal trading ranges. Okay. So here's the Dow, here's the horizontal trading range. This is the monthly horizontal trading ranges, which act as support or resistance. Right now we can see the Dow is in between the support level of 25,425 to 27,301 up at the top. So I can teach people about that. I can add diagonal channel lines out here to help people understand what price is doing so they can use this for all time frames. I can go ahead and take a look at the 2 highs from the Dow back in January and October, and we can take a look at a potential trend line, which ties right into the top of that next horizontal. So being able to teach folks this because it's tangible, because it's visible, it's easy to see, that's a pretty easy thing to do. But being able to teach somebody something intangible, it's a little bit more of a challenge. I'm up to the challenge. And Mark Twain once said, courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. So we all have fears. So the fear is, in essence, real. Really what I'm going to be able to do on Wednesday is be able to teach people how to master fear. And by mastering fear in 5 easy steps, I'm going to be able to share with people and show them how to turn their goals or their shoulds into must. Tom, we each have a lot of shoulds in our life,
Sure.
I should do this, I should do that. Well, the key is being able to find a way to be able to turn those into musts, because musts we go out there and do. So I'll share with folks how to do that, how to recognize the emotions that are holding us back from taking action, how to adopt a growth mindset, how to use pain to be able to propel us, how to accept failure. And even all this stuff may sound, they're concepts, but it's more than just concepts. Each day you read a quote from your cards out there.
Yes.
Those cards have real meaning.
Yes.
Not just because what's interesting here is emotions, they apply to trading and investing. They apply to life out there. So David White, this morning, he posted something in the den, said, I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. On 26 occasions, I've been entrusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. And I failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is precisely why I succeed. That's the quote from Michael Jordan.
That's pretty cool,
Yeah. Yeah. So and decisions, Michael Jordan had to make the decision to take those shots, to do each of those things. And decisions truly are the ultimate power. And our single greatest resource is emotion. Sometimes people say, I'd like to take the emotion out of trading. Emotion is our single greatest resource. And if we get the right emotion, we can get ourselves to do anything. That's about talking about being able to turn those shoulds into musts out there. And our emotions, Tom, believe it or not, they're just really controlled by 3 questions that we ask ourselves each and every day of each and every moment. And those questions shape our destiny. So it's not just about trading and investing. We're going to focus on that. But the 3 questions that people ask on a continuous basis in one form or the other are basically, what are you focused on right now? What does it mean? And what are you going to do? Are you going to be focused on the past, the present, the future? Just think about that in the cards that you read, right? Out there that provide people with information. And here, take a look at this. What we focus on, we feel, and what we feel gives us our meaning. You have another way of saying that, don't you?
Oh, yeah. No, there's no doubt. Right.
So, so that's really important, and it's really important to have the right state of mind out there, because our state of mind is our kind of like it's an invisible force. And think of it like this.
That's powerful.
The state of mind is so important. And there are 3 things that each of us can do to have the right state of mind. But if we just go back to Michael Jordan as an example, when Michael Jordan is performing, or any athlete or any of us, we've done athletic things in our life. When an athlete is performing, what's their physiology like? Or think of Tiger Woods walking down the fairway. Are his shoulders slumped, or is he standing back, ready to take on the world? And what do they focus on? Are they going to focus on their fear or their trouble, or are they going to focus on what they want to accomplish? And what are the empowering words that people use? So I'm just trying to throw this out here so that folks that are driving, they're listening, trying to make a determination, should I attend this workshop? What is it that Steve is going to teach? Decisions. First, being able to understand how to what is behind the decision-making process is just so important. We've got a blueprint in our life, and that blueprint in our life is really controlled by our 6 human needs. Each of us have these 6 needs. We all meet them in some form or another, some in an empowering way, some in a disempowering way. Those are the needs for certainty. Those are the needs for variety. Those are the needs for significance, for growth, for contribution out there, for love and connection. Think of it like this, Tom. A trader that has their number 1 need being certainty, in essence, every trade they're going to make, they want that to be a winner. You're a great trader. Michael Jordan's a great basketball player. Is each of your trades a winning trade?
No. Yeah, that's the problem if you're thinking exactly.
So and it's not a problem that you've got certainty. Let's just say as a number 1. I'm not saying you, but somebody has certainty as a number 1 need. But there are ways to be able to address that, to reshape that, so that it can be used in an empowering way. And many times these 6 human needs, 2 of them are a driving force out there. Maybe somebody's got a certainty as their number 1 need, and then uncertainty or variety as the next out there, which means you're ready to do anything. That can really put you in a quandary, but I'm going to be able to teach people how to, first, what their 6 human needs are and how to best utilize that to accomplish everything that they want in life. So, folks, come on over to the website, the TFNN, sign up for my workshop, and you'll be in the workshop for Overcoming Fear in 5 Easy Steps.
And you just go right to TFNN, folks. You're going to see it right in the featured content. You're going to see our man Steve Rhodes, Master Probability. Going to be an awesome workshop. Wednesday night, 5 o'clock. Steve, have a great one, safe one. We look forward to the show tomorrow.
Thanks, Tom.
Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
The Taz Profile.